An East Texas elementary student is recovering from pertussis, also known as whooping cough. On Friday, the Northeast Texas Public Health District notified Tyler ISD that a first grader at Andy Woods was diagnosed with whooping cough. Today, KLTV7's Shaylee Sanders spoke with Tyler ISD and health officials to get the latest.
Pertussis is a very serious disease. It takes a long time to get over.
And it's something infants cannot be vaccinated for until they are 2 months old.
They cough and gag, they can't catch their breath, they turn blue, their oxygen saturation goes low, and there's really nothing that you can do about it.
Doctors can prescribe antibiotics, but even then, symptoms can last for weeks. It's something a Tyler Elementary School student is recovering from.
On Friday, we were notified by the Northeast Texas Health District that one of our students had been diagnosed with whooping cough. And the whole entire campus has been disinfected. We're also encouraging our students, as we always do, to practice good hygiene.
It's highly contagious, which is why it is critical to be vaccinated. But health experts say even that can wear off.
Your immunity can decrease within 5 to 10 years after you receive that last dose.
Which is why doctors recommend a booster or Tdap, which is available for those ages 11 to 64.
If you're going to be around infants and children and you haven't had the booster dose, it's recommended that 2 weeks before you know you're going to come in contact with an infant that you have the Tdap.
For now, the health district advises the elementary school student stay home from school until completing his antibiotics. In Tyler, Shaylee Sanders, KLTV 7 News.
Tyler ISD says letters were sent home on Friday to students' classmates and those who rode the bus with this student. The school plans to send out a letter to the entire campus.